Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum guys. I'm Sarwat Rani Khan. Says welcome to all of you in KZ Kitchen. I hope all of you are well in your houses and doing well. Today I'm gonna share with you a very authentic and special recipe according to the weather, which is Tarka Dal Palak, which we make mostly, and it's very delicious recipe. Everyone make it in its style, but today I will share my method. How do I prepare tarka dal palak in my home? So you can see that it's looking too much beautiful and tempting, too attractive. If you want to learn this recipe and like this more recipes in KZ Kitchen with Sarwat Rani Khan, so kindly please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you can get my notifications and you could try my all recipes. Here I am taking 1 cup Moong lentil and 1/4 cup masoor, red masoor lentil. Mostly we make tarka dal palak with these two lentils, but if you want to change the recipe or lentils, so you can change, but authentically we use these two lentils. I have washed lentils and then add in pressure cooker, add salt, turmeric powder, paprika powder, chopped tomato, some green chilies and ginger garlic paste, and I cooked these until completely tender and cooked. Here I'm gonna cut some veggies, fresh coriander, onion, tomatoes, garlic cloves and spinach. Now I have prepared all of these, you can see, and also we have some butter and some whole red chilies, dry whole red chilies. Okay, let's see what is the condition of our lentils. Now mashallah, these are completely cooked. Let's mash more. We had 1 and 1/4 cup lentils, so I added 4 to 5 cups maximum water in it. You can see there is no extra water in our lentils, and I'm keep mashing and smoothing this lentil because we added chopped tomatoes in it. Now I have taken 1/4 cup oil and I have added 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and 1 small piece of asafoetida, some green chilies, cinnamon stick and stir and then keep crackling this. Now add your chopped onion in it and we will just fry until translucent. Okay. I showed you 1 large onion, but I use 1 1/2 onion here and then I chopped. Now I'm just frying it and now it's getting change its color. Let's add some spices. First add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, stir and fry it continuously. Okay. Now I will add 1 teaspoon salt or less than 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and 1 teaspoon paprika powder. Let's mix all of these and let them fry. Keep stirring so those couldn't burn. Until I didn't some water in it because we have to add our chopped tomatoes. These are three chopped tomatoes. Would make their paste also, but I prefer we add these as it is. Okay, I'm not gonna add little bit water with these tomatoes. Just we will fry these without water. They will release their own water or juices. Now I'm adding some fresh milk in it because we are cooking with spinach. So when I prepare any spinach dish, so I definitely or must I use milk, fresh milk in it. That gives a beautiful color and great taste to our dish. I am adding zafrani garam masala powder, and also I am adding dry fenugreek leaves. If you don't like the fragrance of this dry fenugreek or taste because it's little bit slightly bitter, so you can skip it. Otherwise, you can add and enjoy the taste of this ingredient. Again, I added some fresh milk and I'm stirring. Why did I add the milk here? Because I added the fenugreek, so I have told you it has little bit bitter taste, so that couldn't be burned. That's why I added the milk. That will mild the taste of this ingredient. Now I have added some fresh coriander and also chopped spinach in it. Now I will just fry continuously until that will be mixed in our gravy. Now you can see it has released its oil. Now it's ready. Okay, let's add our prepared or boiled mashed smooth lentil. Okay, I have added all of this. Mix, and it's looking much thick, so we will add some water, maximum half cup, or if it's required so we can add 1 cup water in it, and then we will mix it few seconds and then we will cover the lid. Now we will cover the lid about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, mashallah, it's looking very graceful. Its orangish and greenish color is very fascinating. You can see, and also you can see the thickness of our tadka dal palak. Instead, we added some water. Now it's ready for tadka. Uh, Now I'm sprinkling its garnishing, fresh coriander and sliced green chilies. And now I will cover the lid again about for 30 seconds. In the meanwhile, let's prepare its tadka. Here I have added 4 tablespoon oil and 4 tablespoon heat maximum butter. I used Blue Band margarine. Now I'm adding some dry whole red chilies and some sliced garlic cloves. Okay, let's prepare it. Just we have to give it light golden color. We don't have to give it dark golden or brown color. Okay, now it's ready. Turn off the flame, and now I will add its last but not least ingredient, paprika powder with little bit yellow food color. Now immediately add in your tarka dal palak. Okay, mashallah, it's looking too much graceful and its fragrance is very fascinating. Okay, inshallah ta'ala, you will definitely make this recipe at your homes. You can see how much beautifully we made our tarka dal palak in Kezi Kitchen with Sarwat Rani Khan. Viewers, if you haven't liked, share and subscribe to my channel, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you could get my all notifications and you can check these. Okay, now I'm serving our tadka dal palak with zira rice or plain rice platter. You can definitely serve it with chapatis, naan, or parathas. But today I'm in mood to eat it with zira rice. So that's why I have prepared zira rice here. And now I'm gonna enjoy this recipe. Okay, let's check. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mm, it's too much tasty and it's that time it's too much hot. Oh my goodness. Fried garlic. Crunchy fried garlic. It's too much tasty. Okay, guys. See you soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz.